Hi, my name is John Kennedy, CEO of Doing Flips USA. We are a home remodeling company based in Chicago, and our outreach to the community is to affect young people, preventing them from violence. And one of the programs that we developed was called Big HYD Project, which stands for Hip Young Design, where we take them out to a location, we show them basic carpentry and painting skills to inspire their own entrepreneurial endeavors. Here's an excerpt from one of our participants. And part of this resources that we are applying for would go to buying equipment and an incentive to have these young people come out and participate and hopefully change their lives.